Hello guys, how you doing? My name is Cortez, and in this video we're gonna learn how to create a Discord bot with Python, and it's part 2. Okay guys, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Let's go. Okay guys, first one, it's not a comment, but it's like this. When a member join your server, our bot or your bot can say hello and welcome to your channel. Okay, how we can use this? @bot.event and async def on member join member equal member, and it return none. Okay, welcome, first thing is the welcome channel ID equal how we can get a welcome channel ID. Okay, you need to go on your server and make a special channel for your welcome message. And for example, I made this one and copy the channel ID and paste it here. And next one is welcome channel. We need H. Okay, what's that? It's the bot dot get channel and in the welcome channel ID. And next thing is if welcome channel it's true, we need embed with small e equal embed and its title equal the title equal welcome, and the description is hello. For example, we need a string for description, and for example but oh no, we don't, but it's the member dot mention for mention this joined member, and welcome to like this member dot guide dot name, like this. And for example, like you can add a sign here. Okay, and last one, if you like to color this message, you can type color equal discord dot color dot green, for example, dot we need to color dot green, like this. Okay, and with a parenthesis, and last one is the await welcome channel dot send embed equal embed. Okay guys, next comment is member count. If you like to know your member count of your server, you can add this comment. It's bot dot tree dot comment and its name equal member count, and the description equal for example get the member of members in your server, like this description. Okay, next thing we have async def, the name of our here member count, and the parameter list is interaction is like this, the interaction. Okay, interaction. Okay, and for first thing we need the guide. Okay, guide guide equal interaction dot guide, like this. And next thing, we need to await interaction dot response dot send a message in the f string and say the server has in curly bracket guide dot members, or we can say member dot count. Okay, member count, like this. Okay guys, next comment is the ping. If you like to get your ping on your Discord with your bot, you need to type @bot.tree. We need to add the comment and the name equal ping, and the description has the check bot latency. Okay, next is we need to async def. Its name is the ping and the parameter is interaction equal interaction for Discord. Okay, and next thing, we need to have some latency equal the round bot dot latency, and like this to 1000. Okay, and await interaction dot response dot send. For example, it's so funny punk, and my latency is latency ms is megabyte. Okay guys, next thing, we need warn comment. Okay, it's @bot.tree dot comment. Its name equal warn, and description equal, for example, warn a member, we can say. And next thing, we need to @app underline comments dot checks dot has permissions, and we need here to manage message equal true. Okay, and next thing, we need to async def. Its name is warn, and the parameter list is interaction is interaction for Discord, and the member, it's the member for Discord, and the reason is str type, has str type. Okay, we need two things to await. Okay, first await is interaction dot response dot send a message if in f string warn in curly bracket member dot mention for reason. Okay, and next await is await member dot send you being warned in interaction.guide.name. Okay guys, next thing, it's a clear command. It's like your bot can delete your message if you don't like that, and clear your message window. Okay, it's @bot dot tree dot comment it's the name equal clear, and the description is a clear message from a channel. Okay, and next thing finish a permission. Okay, app underline comments dot checks dot has permissions, and here this the manage message is true. Okay, like this, or we can see manage message is true. Okay, and we need async def named clear, and we need two parameters is interaction equal interactions, and the amount is its int type. Okay, and we need a wait interaction dot channel dot point limit is amount. Okay guys, for announcement we need to add sign bot dot tree dot comment its name equal its name is announce, the description is send an announcement to a channel. And next thing we need to again a permission. Okay, app underline commands dot checks dot has permissions, and the manage message equal true. And next thing we need to embed. Oh no, we need first we need async def. It's like this. For example, the parameter release is interaction equal interactions, channel ID it's a int, and the content is a string. Okay, first thing we need embed. Okay, embed with small e equal discord dot embed and dot embed, and the title equal announcement. The announcement, and the description, description equal announcement announcement. We need to add something. We need content. Okay, content, and the color is discord dot color dot blue. Okay, like this. And first thing we need to wait channel channel we don't have channel. Okay, yeah, channel ID dot send embed equal embed. Okay, and next thing we need await interaction dot response dot send like this. Okay, but we need channel IDs We can delete this channel ID and interaction. Okay, and for example, add it here. Channel ID int content string. Okay, and the channel. Okay, we can add this. The channel, it's a text channel like this, and the interaction. Okay, interactions and Discord in like this, and okay, and here channel. Okay, the channel dot mention, and here we need to add the channel. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel. And if you need this updated file of our Discord bot, you can go our Discord channel, go to the devs category and in the files, and you can download it free. Okay guys, have a good day.